In this video, I will show you how to add a PayPal payment button to Google Sites. Open your web browser and search for Elf site. Click on the first link to access official Elf site website. Once the site loads, log in with your existing Elf site account or sign up for a new one. After logging in, click on the widget option. Use the search bar at the top and type PayPal button. Select the PayPal button widget from the search results. Browse through the available templates. Pick the one that best matches your website's style and your payment needs. Now, click Continue with this template. Enter the email address linked to your PayPal account. This ensures payment go to you. Choose the payment type, checkout, donation, or subscription. Adjust the localization settings to match your region. Set the correct currency for your transactions. Enter your product price in USD and, if necessary, add shipping fees. If applicable, set the correct tax type for transparent billing. Once you finished customizing, click on the Publish button. Elf site will ask you to choose a plan. Select the free option for this tutorial. Click Copy Code to copy the generated embed code. Now, open your Google Sites editor and navigate to the page where you want to add the payment button. Click on the Embed option under the Insert tab. Select Embed Code and paste the code you copied from Elf site. Click Next to preview the button. If you are happy with the look, click Insert. That's it. You have successfully added a PayPal payment button to your Google site. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.